Dr. Anita Gupta joins us right now, the pain anesthesiologist, physicians, Johns Hopkins University of Medicine, so much more. Doctor, great to have you back. You know, a lot of people, Doctor, and you and I have gotten into this, wonder, is there a reason why the FDA takes longer? And I think you had said something to the effect, you want to make sure you get it right. Presumably, either today or tomorrow, they hope to get it right and approve this. Do you think that timetable still holds?
Yes. You know, look, the role of the FDA is the process to do no harm. And, you know, first, you know, Neil, we have to applaud the incredible work that's done by this public health officials, the scientists around the world and at the FDA. They're doing the incredible work that's done in this incredible year that we've been at to address this unforeseen crisis. So we really have to applaud the work that's been done in this short time frame, really to get this race to a vaccine to the people here in the United States. So I think that's an important message that we have to get out. But the work that we're going to hear today will be historic. If we do indeed get this emergency use authorization out. And when we do, and as we heard from Dr. Fauci, it's important that we combine the vaccine with prevention, combined with the comprehensive prevention strategy. We will be able to address this pandemic effectively in 2021.
Now, the question is, the more people who take the vaccine, the more, I guess, you build up this herd immunity, or potentially. But a lot of people are wondering how long all of that takes. I mean, the process is quite involved, and you know, the 2 doses, I get that and all. What is your sense, and I know I'm taking a leap here, Doctor, when the tide turns on this whole thing, because we've seen a spike in cases just yesterday, more deaths, record number deaths from the virus in the United States than we had, for example, on 9/11. So what is your sense of how you can guide people through when the arc suddenly starts getting better?
Right. It will take time. It'll take time. I mean, we first have to build trust. I mean, look, if we get the approval today, within 24 hours, we'll begin to see the rollout. You know, we are positioned to distribute, and that's the message that's already being put out throughout the companies, throughout the U.S. government, in the states, that there is positioning already occurring, and the plan is beginning to roll out. We're seeing that in the states, across different states, and the policies are in place. But what is important to remember is that people need to understand the importance of taking the vaccination. The vaccination, once it's in place with our healthcare workers, with the frontline individuals, then the people that are at risk, then we'll begin to get that herd immunity. And once we have that in the next few months, we can begin to address this pandemic. And I believe that, you know, within the first few months, if not sooner, of 2021, we'll be able to get this pandemic under control. Combined with prevention, we'll be able to address this.
All right, from your mouth to the world's ears, Doctor, thank you very, very much. We'll be monitoring very closely.